for the country.
The Cherry Blossom Festival 2023, which was supposed to be one of the biggest events in the state, took an unexpected turn when Mother Nature delivered a curveball and turned the arena into muddy terrain. The event was supposed to draw both domestic and foreign tourists, but in spite of months of preparation and careful planning, it ended up being a nightmare for eager guests as well as stall owners. The festival was expected to begin on Friday and has attracted interest from people all throughout the country and abroad. But heavy rainfalls due to a cyclonic storm called Midhili spoiled the show. A few tourists and attendees were devastated by the decision, leaving them unsure of what would happen to the festival after the organizers announced the cancellation of day one due to inclement weather.
We're feeling very sad about it because we came all the way from Shillong. And this was going to be our first cherry blossom and probably our last.
हाँ कैंसिल हो रहा है इन्होंने बोल दिया है कि अब सनम भी नहीं आ रहे हाइब्रिड स्टोरी भी नहीं आ रहे एज फॉर टुडे कल का पता नहीं कल क्या होएगा
मंडे के बाद प्रॉब्लम होगा फिर हम लोग यहाँ पे क्योंकि हमारे एग्जाम्स हैं तो
पूरा हम लोग का बिजनेस लॉस हो गया देखो हम लोग का स्टॉल का भाड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा है और इसका इतना देखो सारा इधर में हम लोग का सामान पड़ा हुआ है जिसके लिए हमें सेलिंग तो हम लोग का इतना नहीं है